Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use your character edit voucher inside of Monster Hunter Wilds, okay? Now, please refer back to our previous tutorials on how to get these vouchers, okay? We get over them or we go over them in extensive detail, okay? Now, what I want to show you first of all is, some things that you can change for free without using any of these vouchers, okay? So make sure that you go to your base camp and now you want to go to your tent. So let's press F. And here you want to go to your change appearance menu. Okay, so let's click in here. And from here, you're going to be able to change, regardless, your Palico or your Hunter settings, and for free, and these are going to include actually your hair, your eyebrow, your eye color, mouth, facial hair, and even the voice pitch, okay, and some others. All right. Now, if you want to make actually further changes, you need to use, a character edit voucher, okay, which is what we are gonna do, okay. So just go back to your menu. Let's go to basically return to title screen here. I'm not gonna save anything. And now what you have to do basically is you need to press on start game, as I'm gonna do here. Let's actually go back again so you can see it. We have to press on start game. And now this is going to show you how many character edit vouchers you have, because in my case I have one for the main character and 0 for the Palico. Okay, and now you have to press G on whatever match you're trying to edit. Okay, which in my case is the first one. So it's this one here, and I'm going to click on Edit Hunter because it's the one that I want to edit. And from here I can make further changes. Okay, I can adjust or I can change basically the preset. So I can change basically like what kind of face my character has. I can even change, for example, the voice, okay? And I can even actually change the gender, by going into any of these presets that is a female, okay? So from here, you're gonna be able to make further changes, okay? So after you make this, after you're ready, just click on, go to back, and that's pretty much it, okay? Go to save changes, okay? Thank you so much.